Yet also the Executive Secretary acting National Commission on Small Arms and Light Weapons, Dr. Adam Bonaa, and the day Kasee say free bra one pa gun amnesty program no ho entoma no etu ni akodi ahodo awaje free addition samu no ekosro pa wasuru ye yan ha ye ni abese 4,400,000 de wono 4,000 firearms de wonsa atumi aka.
Afie twemu na National Commission on Small Arms and Light Weapons for epa wono Ghana Amnesty initiative no ho entoma na botaye ne nyina ene seni etu ahodo a amanfo ewo wo ho wankasa befiri wompemu na wode aba wenyina na wono mo de hwese ebitimi agigi sa etu nyina na abo amabonofo sem ano etumi abrase wo mayi emu na we na ene wodwumedi bi wode hyehye so Adom Kasee kopiase ena Executive Secretary the National Commission on Small Arms and Light Weapons Dr. Adam Bonaa editu just say wabra wono mo ebi sa dwumedi no atu empem and 4,000 and one more ye Ghana afane nyina
who that were brought in directly for destruction would also be destroyed. So we had a total of 4,000 plus weapons that were 4,000. That is unprecedented in peacetime. This could only happen in Liberia, Sierra Leone, Cote d'Ivoire, countries that have had issues with instability, general instability. But Ghana, peacetime, you have a Ghana Amnesty, and freely people walk to the amnesty centers and surrender or give out their weapons without any coercion. They give it out. It has never happened on the continent. So we've had the UN, we've had AU, ECOWAS call us to congratulate us for doing a good job. 8 weeks. It meant that for every every month we were doing substantially well, and so what is now left is for the enforcement, and the enforcement is going on. You can see the police have already arrested some people with weapons, so there is nationwide crackdown on those who are holding illicit weapons.